8053 Farthings Hill Drive. It's a nice community to drive into. It's gated. We have a satellite dish there. There are screens on these windows. This side gets the morning sun. We would need to repaint this wood here, which is fine. We do that at a lot of the properties. Get rid of the weeds. Definitely have a junking budget. There's no power in the house, so I'm going to do my best. This is a larger backyard than we typically choose. So this is very dangerous. We could put a railing here, or we could add more steps. A railing meaning a gate, so no one will just step off that and fall. That's a very easy fix. Very important, but very easy. Okay, we have tile at the entry. It's chipped at the edges, plus it's dated. You know you're going to have a rehab when you decide on this property, so I would just account to redo that flooring. It's 100% repaint, 100% new flooring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blinds downstairs, and 1 vertical. New counters, of course, a fridge. The dishwasher actually looks okay, and we're missing a knob here. Sometimes it might just be easier to get a new stove. Then you could do all stainless steel anyway. So, yeah. We have a change in vinyl flooring here. The appliances are looking rough. Maybe replace those as well. We've been using used appliances recently, and we've been getting extremely good prices on them, and so far, great experiences. Plus, you can get the home warranty that covers the appliances, so that's been working out very well. So the light fixture looks okay. The mirror can probably stay. And you just change out the towel holder. You can keep the sink. Maybe change out the hardware too. For the door handles, I mean. And of course when you change this, then the rest of the house isn't going to match. So. Nevada energy thermostat needs to go. We need a light kit and a light bulb on there, or we need a globe, sorry. Upstairs we have 1 blind. Oh, there is a globe. It's actually it looks okay. I'm not sure why it's on the floor. Okay, we have dark stuff on the ceiling. We need to fix that light, maybe get a globe. So 1, 2 windows, 3 windows, 4 windows. Those 3, of course, don't need shoots. I think it was at 5, 6. Great loft area. The fan looks fine, as long as it works. Okay.